This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Michelle Carter Smith. Looking to enjoy peaceful country living in the sought-after Corbett community? This move-in ready home on nearly 5 acres is located on beautiful, low-maintenance land and is a must-see. Enjoy a year-round creek, a scenic territorial view from the living room, and a sheltered, low-wind setting that's conveniently located near Corbett schools and I-84 access. This spacious 2-level home features 3 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and a large bonus room that offers endless possibilities. There's plenty of room for RV parking, and the oversized attached garage provides abundant storage. The back driveway leads directly to the creek, and there's ample space to add an outbuilding if desired. The serene property is surrounded by beautiful cedar, fir, hemlock, maple, and alder trees, creating a private and picturesque setting. The spacious fenced front yard is equipped with a sprinkler system to keep everything lush and green. Step outside and enjoy the expansive Fiberon composite wraparound deck, newly installed in 2024, where you can relax, entertain, and take in the surrounding views. The included Marquis hot tub makes it easy to unwind at the end of the day. Inside, you'll find both a cozy kitchen nook and a formal dining room, offering flexible spaces for everyday living and special gatherings. The kitchen comes with the refrigerator and all other appliances, and the washer, dryer, and garage freezer are also included. Stay comfortable year-round with AC for the summer and a cozy wood-burning fireplace for the cooler months. The HVAC system was professionally serviced in July 2026, and the seller-owned propane tank is another added value. To help keep utility costs down, the home also features fully paid-for solar panels. There is a 240 volts generator hookup. Located just minutes from highly rated Corbett schools and some of the Columbia Gorge's most breathtaking hiking trails and waterfalls. This home and property allow the opportunity to live your best life. For more information, review the details below or